Hey, shalom everybody. We're back making a power snack here with some fresh dates. I got some lemon zest, 20 grams of almonds, sliced almonds, 20 grams of pistachios and pumpkin seeds, 50 grams of apricots. These are 50 grams, and here these are 100 grams. So, and here I got fresh orange juice. We will soak these dates and the apricots in there. So let's get started. Heat up your pan, and then we roast these pumpkin seeds for a while. Watch out that the heat is not too hot, so we don't want to burn them. So keep an eye on it and turn them down from time to time. You don't have to add any oils because the seeds and the nuts, they contain enough oils, so don't add any oil to it. Just plain. Put it there in the pan and just roast it. Well, it should be enough for now, and set these aside. And we do the same with the pistachios and the almonds. Roast them. Alright, they are good now. Let's take them off. Alright, let's go ahead and soak the dates with the orange juice for you can keep them in for 10 minutes. And crush them. I like the smell of it. Oh, it should be enough. Make sure you don't have too many big pieces in here, so it's not too chunky. So, all right, and we add it to the pumpkin seed. There you go. Now we cut the dates in small pieces and drop the apricots in the orange juice. And then soak for a little while, get the flavor in. All right. careful not to cut yourself with those knives. They are sharp. Alright. We will put this one in the blender and make a paste. And repeat the same process with the apricots. Okay, let it transfer again to the blender. A little bit of juice in here, so alright. Where is it? And add it to our other mixture and mix it in. Tastes so good with the flavor, with the orange juice and everything when it comes together. Alright, let's mix it. Adding in the lemon zest. Oh, orange zest, not the lemon zest. Oops. Combine everything. Well, here at this point you can add in more like superfood powders like moringa, cocoa powder, and anything you got on hand and you like to add in, just go for it. You just use like half a teaspoon or teaspoon, but not more. I got here 10 grams of sesame seeds and 10 grams of coconut, and we put it here inside to roast it. Be careful not to burn it up. Let's form a roll. at this stage you like to, better you wear some gloves because it is a sticky procedure now. Okay. All right, now we can roll it. Make it like a sausage. Make sure it's coated good with the seeds and the coconut. All right. Okay. Put it in the fridge for some hours, and then tomorrow we come back and then we cut it in pieces. All right. I just tasted them and they're very delicious. They taste nutty and fruity, juicy, a little snack, no sugar added. So try it out and let me know how you like it. Thank you for watching. Shalom.